Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi hailed the spirit of New Kashmir at a public rally in Srinagar. This comes a day after the first phase of Jammu and Kashmir Assembly election saw a voter turnout of over 61%. Praising the people for voting in large numbers, the Prime Minister said this shows the aspirations of the people of Jammu and Kashmir are on a new high. He also promised to make Kashmir terror-free and defeat those powers who plan terror attacks. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi has hailed the spirit of what he called New Kashmir at a public rally in Srinagar today. This happened to come a day after the first phase of the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly elections, which saw a voter turnout of 61%. For more on this, we're now being joined by our correspondent Idris Lone. Thank you so much for joining us, Idris. What can you tell us? Prime Minister Narendra Modi has promised to make Kashmir terror-free and defeat those powers who plan terror attacks. What can you tell us?
Well, absolutely. The rally has just finished, and as you can see behind me, thousands of people who had come to listen to Prime Minister Narendra Modi are leaving from the Sher-e-Kashmir cricket stadium here in Srinagar. Talking about the speech of the Prime Minister, he again spoke about the development of Jammu and Kashmir. He said after the abrogation of Article 370, the militancy has completely vanished from Jammu and Kashmir, and there are very few remnants left in the upper reaches of the Jammu region. He also spoke about how the last 5 years have been for Jammu and Kashmir, especially with regard to development like Srinagar smart city, making Jammu into a smart city, being the focus of BJP government being the developmental projects and education as well. He also spoke about how the school dropouts have been brought back to schools. Around 1.5 lakh students have returned to schools in the last 5 years, according to him. He also took a dig, which he took last week on in Doda district, also on the political parties like Congress, National Conference and PDP. He said whatever damage that has happened in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir since the last 70 years, it's the Congress and the National Conference which is responsible for all of it. He said that they have not been, those parties were not able to finish militancy and terror in Jammu and Kashmir, but the Modi government since the last 5 years have worked on it day and night, and that is how Kashmir is turning into peaceful. He spoke about Bollywood returning to Kashmir Valley, cinema halls opening in Srinagar city. He said there have been so many developments that have been done in the last few years by the BJP government, which is being led by the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir. Overall, he also spoke about free electricity. He said we are working on a lot of things with regard to the election campaign. One is 7 lakh insurance for every citizen of Jammu and Kashmir. There is already a provision which was provided by the Modi government of the Ayushman Bharat scheme, which is a health insurance for every individual in Kashmir. There is a 5 lakh health insurance, but now that will be increased to 7 lakh. So he spoke about a lot of things and also catering to the voters who will be voting in the assembly elections in the second phase in Srinagar as well.
For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.